Hi everyone, Vita here. Ed and I went to Viera, Florida for our grandson's USSSA baseball tournament, and this is our room tour. Stay tuned to the end if you want to see how our grandson's team did in the tournament. Have a wonderful week.
Right, I'm going to do a quick tour of our Avid hotel in Viera, Florida. It's a very small room, so it should not take long, but it's a very nice and clean room, very compact, not a lot to it. Just a bathroom, obviously. No tub in this room. I'm not sure if it's like that in all rooms, but just the shower. Again, very either new hotel or very recently remodeled. Very nice and clean. Hardwood floors or hardwood look floors. It does have a small refrigerator, which is nice. There's a little bitty slide, I don't know if you can see that or not, with the ironing board, but there is no closet in this room. It just has some hangers with a bunch of slats to hang your stuff. There's a few more I'll show you in a second. Again, this is a king bed. We did ask for 2 queens. Thought it'd be a little more spacious, but they are full up. We're here for a baseball tournament. So there's a lot of kids in town. So I think some of the families with more kids already got the 2 queens. Nice TV, looks like you can stream. Looks like it's fairly simple to stream from your device. Again, more hanging. Just very compact, very tight, they make use of all the space possible. And that's it. Avid in Viera Beach, Florida.